Hi everyone, let's take a look at the following example. Find the antiderivative of e to the power of negative x plus e to the power of x with respect to x. Step number one, when you think about the antiderivative of e to the power of negative x, that's going to equal to e to the power of negative x divided by the derivative of negative x, which is going to be negative 1, plus when you find the antiderivative of e to the power of x, that's going to be e to the power of x. Again, don't forget there are infinite many cases. So you have to add a constant c. And again, c is basically an element of real numbers. So if you clean up the answer and you left it with positive exponents, the answer is going to be negative 1 divided by e to the power of x plus e to the power of x plus c. Now again, if you want to double check your answer to maximize your performance, here's what you have to do. So again, if you think about antiderivative, this means you're going backwards or you're going in reverse in terms of the operator derivative, right? Imagine adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing as an operator. Finding the derivative, it's an operator as well. You're operating, right, onto the function. You're basically finding the derivative of y with respect to x. So all you do is this. If you start with this, y equal to negative 1 over e to the x plus e to the x plus c, and you're finding the derivative, then this would give you, again, if you pretend this is y equal to, right, then I'm saying to you y prime equals to, and again, if you don't want to use this, you can always go back to the first statement. That's fine as well. The derivative of e to the power of negative x is going to be negative times e to the power of negative x. Don't forget you're dividing it by negative 1. And let's move this a little bit over for you. Plus e to the power of x, which is basically the derivative of e to the x. When you differentiate a constant, that is going to give you 0. And if you clean this up, as expected, this will give you e to the power of negative x plus e to the power of x back, which is exactly the question we started with. So this is how you know for sure you're doing it right. I hope this makes sense.